So today we will be learning how to install Spark in the Windows 10. So first what we need to do is need to check is Spark installed in our Windows or not. So open the CMD, type java slash version to check do we have installed Java or not. So yes, I have installed Java. If you don't have, you can follow my link for installing Java JDK 8 and can follow the steps and can download. So let's start with the Spark. So first link we will open into the new tab, copy this and we'll open into the new tab in the Chrome and will help you to download the Spark latest version. So I will download the 3.13 version with the Spark. I have also used 2.4.5 but now I want to move on to 3, so I will download this. So on click on this link, we'll click on this .tgz link, click on that and it will start downloading. Yes, it started. And meanwhile we have another link which is for WinUtils. We'll copy that link, open in the new tab and we'll download that win.utils.file which helps us to run our Spark on the Windows. So we'll directly download this. Yes, it has started and it's a small file, so it has downloaded. Meanwhile the Spark is being downloaded, so we will create the Spark repository in the C drive. We'll create a folder with the name big data setup. You can name it as your according to your wish, you can name it. So I have give this name to the big data setup. Oh, let me correct this spelling, big data setup. Okay, so this is corrected. Now we'll come into this, we'll create another repository with the name is Spark. So we will keep all the Spark files here and we'll create another repository with the name Hadoop and we will follow this Hadoop. Oh, again this mistake, so we'll correct the name Hadoop and following this Hadoop we will create another repository which is Win, and in this Win repository we will keep our win.utils file which we have downloaded. So we will go to the downloads, copy that file win.utils, copy, we'll paste it here in the big data setup, Hadoop, bin, paste it here. Yes, so half of our work has been done. We have downloaded the win.utils. Now it's being downloaded. So it will take time. Till then, I will pause my video. Will resume once it gets downloaded. Yes, so it has downloaded. We have downloaded the file. So come to the downloads. We will extract with the 7-zip. If you don't have this 7-zip, you can download with the in the Windows. You can download this software. Otherwise, if you have, you can directly extract this. Then we will again extract this tar file like we have uh, this folder. This. Then again we need to extract it with the 7-zip. Extract it to this path. Click on this and we will extract this. So this will take some time. You can wait till then, and after this, oh yes, it has been done. We'll copy all these files from here and we'll paste to the repository which we have created in the C drive, big data setup, Spark. We will paste it here. So once we will paste all this file here, now the second thing will start from here, like setting up the environment variable. So we will start setting the environment variable. So we'll click on this environment variable. So we will create a new variable here. Click on the new. First we will create the Spark home. So Spark home will created. We will copy all the Spark path from that repository we have created with the Spark. Copy all this path. See big data setup Spark. Paste it here. Okay. We will record another variable which is Hadoop home. Click on new. Give this name Hadoop home. Here we will put our win.utils path. So we'll go to that repository, big data, Hadoop, when, okay, so we'll copy from this here and paste it here. Click OK. Now we need to set this home Hadoop and Spark home, both this path need in the path variable we need to declare there. So we will edit that. We'll click on the new. We'll mention the variable name slash win, Spark home slash win. We'll create another Hadoop home slash win. So this is our work has been done. We will set up this where environmental is done. Now we will open our command prompt to check our Spark has been installed or not. So we will check, open the command prompt. We'll write Spark cell, which will open the Spark uh, environment, which open the Spark port and the environment. So we will check like we have installed correctly or not. So we have write the Spark cell. Let's wait for a moment. Then our Spark will up. Yes, it's starting. There are some config files details it's showing. Yes, so it's getting loaded. It takes some time, so don't panic. Yes, it's starting. Enabling the port. Master is this, and we can also, yes, so it has started version 3.1.3 which we have created. So thank you so much for watching this video. If you like my video, please do subscribe. You will get more of the Spark content related things here. Thank you so much.